It's time for hot chocolate and snowmen and snowball fights with your brother and sister. It's time to explore the different holidays like Christmas and New Year's and winter solstice, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah. It's a really cool time of the year. It's also a really good time of the year to read some books. Did you know that if you don't have any books at your home, you can go to the library and they will lend you books? They'll let you take them home and you can bring them back when you're finished. Oh, that's a wonderful place to go. But I have some books here and I'm going to share one with you. Let's see. Santa Claus, Christmas Tree, Mighty Santa Fe, this one, The Great Santa Stakeout. Oh, this is a great story. Everyone loves this story. It's suspenseful. It's written by Betsy Bird and it's illustrated by Dan Santet. The Great Santa Stakeout. Dun, dun, dun. So, Freddie Melcher was Santa's #1 fan. He was the kind of kid who dressed up as Santa at birthday parties and Valentine's Day and even talk like a pirate day. Freddie had Santa posters, he had Santa action figures, Santa underwear. He was even saving up to buy his own pet reindeer. But there was one prize that Freddie desperately wanted: a photograph with Santa, fresh out of the chimney. Oh, it was risky. As every good boy and girl knows, Santa only visits when everyone's in the bed. It's awfully hard to sneak anything by someone who can see you when you're sleeping and they know when you're awake. That's why Freddie had to be extra good this year at hiding his plan. Step 1, in Freddie's plan, string the roof with cans so that the sleigh can't land undetected. Step 2, rig the whole living room up with motion-sensitive cameras. Step 3, put the milk and cookies on a pressure-sensitive plate. Dun-dun. Step 4, practice staying up late. Ring! Finally, it was here. Christmas Eve, and no one suspected a thing. Freddie was
vigilant.
It was almost midnight, and Santa should be here any second. Yeah, any. Crash! What was that? There was a sound of the cans on the roof. Freddie raced to the windows just in time to see disaster. Something big rolled right off the roof. Freddie tore outside. What had he done? Santa had duped him and dashed. Santa Claus, North Pole. Nice try, Freddie, marked Santa. Freddie was angry. No, that's not it. Embarrassed. No, that's not it either. He was sobbing his heart out, pounding the snow, having the most broken tantrum of his short life. Well, actually, Freddie felt fantastic. While other kids nestled all snug in their beds, Freddie had played hide and seek with his hero. He even had a note from Santa that he could add to his collection. So what if Santa got away with it this year? That's fine. Maybe it's for the best. Maybe no one can outwit Santa Claus. No one, that is, except for Freddie. Hey, there's always next year. So he started working on his plan for the next year. Well, that Freddie is pretty clever that he thinks he can outwit Santa Claus. But like we said, he knows when you are sleeping, he knows when you're good, and he knows when you've been naughty. So remember to be on one list and not on the other. That's it for today. The Great Santa Stakeout. Be good.